What if one AI platform could become your personal creative team? Imagine typing one idea and instantly getting cinematic videos, stunning artwork, viral content, music, and reusable workflows without needing multiple tools. And what if every successful project could be saved as a custom skill, ready to use again anytime you want? That's where Ribby AI comes in. Ribby is built for creators who want speed, quality, and automation in one place. Instead of switching between apps, Ribby helps you create content, test ideas, and build repeatable systems for future projects. So today, we're putting Ribby to the test with fresh prompts across different features to see how powerful it really is. Let's start with visuals. First prompt: create a luxury sports car parked under neon city lights at night, wet streets reflecting colorful signs, cinematic atmosphere, ultra-detailed bodywork, dramatic shadows, premium photography style. And wow! This looks incredible! The reflections, lighting, and details make it feel like a real automotive campaign shoot. Second prompt: generate an elegant modern penthouse interior with panoramic skyline windows, warm sunset light, premium furniture, realistic textures, magazine quality design photography. This result feels premium and polished, perfect for lifestyle brands, architecture pages, or luxury content. Now, let's move into motion content. First prompt: create a cinematic scene of a traveler walking through a futuristic airport terminal, smooth camera tracking, realistic crowd movement, luxury atmosphere, clean transitions. This looks like a movie sequence. The camera motion feels smooth and the environment looks highly realistic. Second prompt: generate a motivational video of a boxer training before sunrise, dramatic shadows, sweat detail, intense slow motion punches, energetic sports documentary style. This one has serious energy, strong visuals, emotion, and premium production quality. Right after this video section, I actually saved this entire workflow as a skill inside Ribby AI. That means all these prompts, settings, and styles are now reusable anytime with one click. Here's the skill link. Insert skill, link here. And it also comes with a cover image you can preview before using it. Plus, it includes 10 free generations, so you can test everything without starting from scratch. Viral reel content. Now let's test short-form content. First prompt: create a vertical reel showing a casual bedroom, transforming into a luxury creator studio with fast transitions, LED lighting changes, satisfying movement, trendy social media pacing. This is exactly the kind of transformation content people love watching. Fast, clean, and highly engaging. Second prompt: generate a fashion reel where a creator changes into 4 different streetwear outfits using snap transitions, stylish poses, upbeat mood, premium urban aesthetic. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Modern, smooth. Now here's where Ribby becomes really smart. If you create something you love, you can turn that entire workflow into your own custom skill. That means your exact style, settings, and process can be saved and reused anytime. So instead of starting from zero every time, You can launch your best ideas instantly. You can even build multiple skills, one for reels, one for visuals, one for music, one for your brand style. I've linked my reusable Ribby skill below, so instead of starting from scratch, you can launch the same workflow, generate content faster, and keep a consistent cinematic style with 10 free generations included.